We are watching testimony out of Iowa this afternoon in the bloody suspect murder trial for Nathaniel Bevers-McGivney. The 22-year-old is charged with first-degree murder in the death of 17-year-old Michele Luna Jackson. Now, police say that Bevers-McGivney stabbed her and then cut her throat in September of last year. When Luna's family went looking for her, they ran into the suspect, who was covered in blood riding her scooter and had some of Luna's belongings. Bevers-McGivney pleaded not guilty, and he waived his right to a trial by a jury, so he is having a bench trial, which means a judge will decide his fate. We're going to get you back into court. On the stand now is the victim's mother. She opted out of being on camera during her testimony, and right now we're about to hear her 911 call made the day that Luna went missing.
Following him.
Okay, hold on. You're talking at the same time, both of you.
I'm sorry.
It's really difficult for Miss Weber to take everything down when you talk at the same time, so let's keep that in mind. Proceed.
At some point, did he stop?
It was a while. Like he had turned onto Maine, and I was still trying to keep up, and I was trying to open my phone, and then they would get ahead of me, so I would try to catch up, and he stopped pretty much right there at number 12.
Okay. You had also mentioned, you had said something like, okay, well then I'm going to call the cops.
Yes, I did that before. That's when he started walking.
All right. Did you call the cops?
Yeah, as soon as I caught up with them, because they had stopped, I finally got stopped where I could open the phone and actually do it. And
so did you call 911?
Yes, I did.
All right. Prior to today, you reviewed your 911 calls, did you not?
Yes.
And they accurately reflect your conversations with law enforcement?
Yes.
All right. For the record, when we eventually submit these digital exhibits, Exhibit 2 is a folder in which there are 3 parts of this call. For some reason, law enforcement split them up into 3 calls. So in the Exhibit 2 folder, everything else is a PDF, and it'll have its own number. There's Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. And with the permission of the court, I will publish each of those parts in order.
You may do so.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Lydia with a transfer. Go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah, my daughter went to the park earlier, and she didn't come home. She took my scooter, and I went to go try to find her, and I found this guy walking around with her scooter, and I can't find her.
What park did you go to?
In Farnhamville here, City Park.
Okay.
And this guy says he just found it. He's walking around town with it.
All right. Just a minute. Let me get my officer headed to Farnhamville, and then I'm going to get the rest of your information, okay?
Okay. I got this guy right here. Says he doesn't know anything, but he also said the scooter's his.
I get my officer. He's not even close to Farnhamville right now, so I got to get him headed that way.
Okay.
13-5, Calhoun County. Good.
What the hell?
Can I have you head towards Farnhamville? I got a missing child at the park.
And a guy that's walking around with her scooter.
Does the guy have a name? Did he give you his name?
What's your name? He's not going to give me no information.
Not giving you any information?
He's not giving any information.
But what's his description?
How would you describe him? He's got, it's dark. He's got a dark blue shirt, jeans, a kind of a greenish gray hat. He's just walking around with my scooter, but she's nowhere to be found.
Has he said that he's seen her or anything?
No, he said he didn't see her. He said he just took the scooter because he saw it there.
Okay, what kind of clothes is your daughter wearing?
Oh God, I don't know. She's wearing.
My mom called talk.
I'm on the.
Calling too.
All right, I'm on the phone with them too. She's wearing some flowery pants, I think. She's probably about 5 foot tall.
Said 5 foot tall.
Yep.
How old is she?
She's 17.
17. What color hair?
Yep. Kind of a light brownish.
Light brown. What's her name?
Mom.
What?
What's her name?
You called, Mom?
Michele Jackson.
On the top.
About how much does she weigh?
Like 195.
Okay. You said light brown hair.
Yeah.
About 5 foot, 195. You said 17. Flowery pink.
Yep.
What kind of shirt did you say she's wearing?
I can't remember what shirt she's wearing.
Okay. What's your name?
Annette Jackson.
What was the first name?
Annette.
Annette. Okay, I got a couple officers headed down to Farnhamville right now. It'll be a few minutes before they get there.
Okay. We have the guy still standing here, so that had
He's not
the
gonna give you
scooter.
information.
No,
Okay, and
he said he'd rather not. So,
and he wouldn't get on the phone and give me in his information.
you want to get on the phone with them and give them information because they're going to get it when they get here anyway.
I got 2 officers coming that way.
Okay. He said nope, you can just get it when they get here. He says.
Can I put you on hold for a moment? I got another call coming in.
Yep.
That completes part 1 of Exhibit 2. Before I play the remaining parts, at some point had Shauna also called her boyfriend to come down there?
Oh yeah, when back when we were on Moulton Avenue.
Okay.
After I had asked him several questions, she got on the phone to Jordan and was talking with him about
And what's her boyfriend's name?
Jordan Adams.
At some point during this call that we're listening to, does Jordan arrive with you and Shauna at this location on Main Street?
Yes, after a while he did.
Okay. I'm now going to play part 2 of this 911 call. If I can get back here.
Annette,
Yes.
I just had your other daughter call. I'm going to stay on the line with you until my officer gets there.
Okay.
You said the male has the scooter, dark blue shirt.
He had the scooter. He was walking around town with it. We've been driving around looking for her. We saw that the scooter wasn't at the park, so we were driving around, and we saw somebody walking with a scooter. So we stopped and we asked him. We said, "Where'd you get the scooter?" And he said, "It's mine." And I said, "No." And I went and looked at it, and it's mine. And he said, "I found it at the park."
Okay.
But he didn't know anything about her.
All right. Let me get some information to my officers about this, okay?
Okay.
13.5, 13.3. The female in question is a 17-year-old female, 5 foot, 195 of light brown hair, possibly wearing flowery pants. Her mother is at the park, standing by the male.
Well, we're not at the park. What street are we on? We're on the corner of Farnham and Main.
Okay. Excuse me, they're at the corner of Farnham and Main, the mother of the missing child.
Just double checking. The child's 18. Is this a runaway or?
No, she's not a runaway.
Did you
She's 17. Can I leave this here?
17.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because I put this in.
Do you know where she might have gone? Do you know if she has or anything she would have gone to? Any houses?
Oh, my God. He put her shoe in the frickin' basket of the... There's blood on it.
Blood on
Oh, my
it?
God. Yes, there's blood on the shoe.
All right. Let me get on the... I got to put you on
Yeah,
hold for a
get
second.
somebody down here quick.
Yeah, we got it. Just a minute.
Okay. Don't do it, though, Jordan.
Don't do it.
Yeah, he says he's got some coming, but... Oh, my God.
I got him coming fast. Any information about the mail?
What?
Can you give me any more information about the mail?
No, but we got him laying on the ground here. We looked into stuff in the... We just happened to notice the stuff in the basket. The shoe's got blood on it. That's her shoe. Just one.
Okay. I got my guys coming that way, okay?
Okay.
And as fast
For now.
Okay. Tell him to hurry.
They're hurrying. I got them 10:30. I got them emergency. They're going as fast
Yes.
as they can, okay?
Yes.
They weren't close to Farnhamville. They
Oh, my
were.
God.
You guys have them.
Oh, my God.
Are you guys holding them
Yes,
down?
Yes, we got him. We have him at gunpoint right now.
Okay. Just stay calm, breathe, relax. Don't do
Okay.
anything. I know it's
Okay.
I know it's hard right now, but just breathe. Don't do
Okay.
anything. Don't do anything too crazy right now, okay?
No, we're not. Oh.
They got a missing female, 17, in Farnhamville Park. She was on a scooter. There's a male at her scooter, and currently he had a basket with her.
Yeah, you better.
With blood on it. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Yep. I'm gonna put you on hold again, Annette, for a moment, okay?
Okay.
That's the end of part two. I'll ask another question before I play the final segment. We got him on gunpoint. Was that Jordan Adams who ordered him to the ground during this call?
Yes.
And I'm going to publish part three.
Annette, you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Anything else come up?
No, we're
Okay.
just waiting.
Okay. We're close. I got one about a couple miles away, okay?
Okay.
Okay. As soon as he gets there, you can hang up, all right?
Okay.
Okay? I got
All right.
people coming.
Okay.
Make sure you hear it.
Said you got one. They have one 2 miles away.
A chilling testimony, the 911 call when they realized that her daughter and sisters, respective the victim's bloody shoe, was found in the basket of that scooter.